Today we're going to go over the procedure involved with replacing the power steering pressure switch on this Dodge Durango. This particular one we're working on today is a 2001 model. This is going to be located between the battery and the power steering reservoir, tapped into the high pressure line. So I'm going to go down here and disconnect my electrical connector first. Simply pinch it and pull it out of the way. Now, it's a good idea to inspect the connector and make sure there's no power steering fluid in it. These things are notorious for leaking internally, and it wicks power steering fluid into the harness. I've even seen some of these things where it filled the wire harness so full of power steering fluid it was actually running out of the rear oxygen sensors. So we want to make sure there is no contamination of the wire harness in this particular vehicle. Looks like we got to this one just in time before it leaked all the way through the harness there. That's a good thing. Now I'm going to take an 18 millimeter open end wrench and hold the line in place. Then I'm going to take a 7/8 deep socket with my 3/8 ratchet and slide it over the sensor here. And so I can hold the line in place while breaking it loose with my ratchet and socket. Once it's broken loose, I can thread the old sensor off. And I need to have my new one ready to go for when this comes off. We shouldn't leak out a whole lot, but we will leak out a little bit of power steering fluid there. Once that's off, we can take our new one, thread it in place, and it comes with a new O-ring in place, so we can put that on there. We'll take our socket with a ratchet again, slide it in place, hold the line tight with a wrench, and torque this into place. Once that's done, we can take our electrical connector, plug it back into place. Now we just need to top off our power steering fluid, clean up any that may have leaked out while we were doing the swap, and the job is complete. We've just replaced the power steering pressure switch on this Dodge Durango.